This is day 1 of doing my daily instance until I get all 3 shiny galarian birds. So let's do it. Unfortunately it's only 15 because I haven't unlocked the 3 minutes yet. But so far I've gotten the mole trace, 2 of them actually somehow. Nothing else. Now first one is an Oshawott, Litten, Bagon, Cyndaquil, Rattata, Cottony, Hippopotas, Nimble, Miltank, Darumaka, Staryu, Turtwig, Nardaran, Natu, Venipede, Sudowoodo, Nardaran, Stunky, Venipede, Tailo, Bounsweet, Rhyhorn, Squirvet, Sprigatito, Spearow, Scorbunny. 25 Pokemon today. It's alright. No galarian birds. I'll see you for day 2. Alright, see ya.